Dr. Sarah Kennea with Medical Aesthetics, and today we're going to be discussing acne. Now, this is a huge issue for many teenagers and also many people into adult life as well. But a lot of people are really experiencing acne with the wearing masks all the time. So we're just going to discuss some skincare solutions that we can do to help that along. So one of my favorite skincare lines to use with acne is the Zeo range. That's named after Dr. Zain Abaji, who is a world famous dermatologist, and he really pioneered phenomenal skincare for use in various dermatological conditions. So this, for example, is an example of one of his before and afters, using a combination of different products and also some medical help, which you can get from us here at Whistler Medical Aesthetics. And basically the principles of acne are that when we get overproduction of oil with the sebaceous glands, the oil can get trapped in the pore. And so when the oil gets trapped in the pore, we find that infection can set in by various bacteria, including ones that are specifically an issue with acne called P. acnes. And what we find then is we get these ugly red inflamed areas, which can look not only cosmetically disturbing but can also be painful if they can be deep as well. So with acne, we get an accumulation of debris and oil on the skin, creating blocked pores and then infection. So the way the Zeo regime works is that we're going to use initially an exfoliating cleanser to take excess oil and debris from off the skin, but without being too harsh. Then we're going to be using this phenomenal exfoliating polish, which is like a scrub which takes away all the layers of dead skin cells which are creating blockage. Then we move on to these soothing and yet clearing exfoliating complexion renewal pads, which not only soothe and reduce the redness and irritation in skin, but they also help be that final step of just trying to clear out the base of the pore. After that, we can use our sulfur masks as a little spot treatment for any little blemishes that may be happening. So this is a phenomenal product for those people suffering with acne. Will also help clear the pore, but the sulfur is antibacterial. And then we can finish with the Instant Porifiner, which is a great oil-free moisturizer, which will cause an instant tightening of the pores, and so the skin will look less oily, it will look more refreshed, it will look more even and less red. So I really find when we use the Zeo range with our acne patients that we get really phenomenal results. Some people have even come in a few days after in tears that their skin was so much better. And of course, we can use this in combination with some of the more advanced treatments that we have here, for example, like light or laser treatments we can use. And sometimes when we get into the situation when we're now dealing with acne scars, we can go into microneedling.